Have you ever wondered why some businesses flourish while others struggle? The answer often lies in their marketing strategies. The world of business is like a chessboard where every move matters, and one of the key strategies is the 4 Ps of marketing: product, price, place, and promotion. These 4 elements form the backbone of any marketing strategy, working together to offer value to customers and create a competitive edge in the marketplace. The product refers to the goods or services you offer. Price is how much customers pay for it. Place involves where and how the product is sold. And promotion is about communicating your offerings to the world. Each of these components plays a vital role, shaping how your business is perceived and ultimately, how successful it is. Today, we will delve into each of these 4 Ps, using real-life examples to illustrate their importance. The first P of the marketing mix is product. Now, what does that actually mean? Well, product, in marketing terms, represents the goods or services that a company offers to its customers. It's not just about what it does, but how it looks, feels, and even smells. It's about the experience it provides. And most importantly, it's about how it meets the needs of the customer. Think about it. When you make a purchase, what's the first thing you consider? It's the product. Whether you're buying a phone, a car, or a meal, you're looking at the quality, the design, and the features. You're looking for something that meets your needs, and hopefully something that stands out from the rest. Take the example of Halal Guys, a food chain that's gained global popularity. Their product isn't just the delicious halal dishes they serve, it's also the authenticity and quality they bring to the table. Every meal is a testament to their commitment to high standards, and that's what keeps their customers coming back for more. A successful product isn't just about having a great idea or a unique selling point. It's about understanding your customers' needs, delivering quality consistently, and ensuring that your product stands out in the market. The product forms the bedrock of your marketing strategy, and it sets the stage for the other 3 Ps to come into play. So remember, a great marketing strategy starts with a great product. The second P is price. Price is more than just a number on a tag. It's a complex and strategic element of marketing that communicates value and influences customer perception. A well-considered price can make your product or service irresistible, while a poorly calculated one can drive customers away. Consider Modanisa, an online retailer specializing in modest fashion. Modanisa has positioned itself as a brand offering trendy yet affordable clothing for Muslim women across the globe. How do they do it? By understanding their target market's willingness to pay and balancing it with the costs of production, shipping, and other expenses. Modanisa's customer base values the intersection of fashion, affordability, and religious observance. They're willing to pay for trendy clothing that aligns with their values and fits their budget. By understanding this, Modanisa has been able to set prices that resonate with their customers, cover their costs, and maintain profitability. Their pricing strategy also helps position Modanisa in the market. They're not the cheapest option out there, but they're also not the most expensive. They've found a sweet spot that communicates value, quality, and affordability, a balance that appeals to their target market. So, what can we learn from Modanisa? Price is more than just a number. It's a marketing tool that, when used effectively, can drive profitability and position a brand effectively in the market. A well-considered pricing strategy can make or break a business. The third P is place. This is all about how your product gets to the customer. It could be in a physical store, online, or even a combination of both. Place is essentially about creating convenience for your customer and ensuring your product is available when and where they need it. Now, let's think about Zara, the global fashion retailer. They've mastered the art of place in their marketing strategy. Zara strategically locates its stores in high footfall areas, such as shopping malls and high streets, to attract a maximum number of customers. It's all about being in the right place at the right time. But Zara doesn't just rely on physical locations. They also have a robust online presence. With a user-friendly website and a mobile app, they've made it possible for customers to shop their collections from the comfort of their homes. This multi-channel approach has allowed Zara to reach a wider audience and increase their sales significantly. Zara's strategy shows us that place is not just about the physical location, it's also about how effectively you use distribution channels to make your product accessible to your customers. Whether it's a brick-and-mortar store, an e-commerce website, or a mobile app, the key is to be where your customers are. So when you're thinking about your own business strategy, remember the importance of place. The right place ensures your product is available to the customers when and where they need it. The final P is promotion. Now, promotion isn't just about shouting your brand's name from the rooftops. It's the art of communication, the science of capturing your audience's attention, and the strategy of making your product irresistible. Promotion encompasses advertising, public relations, and sales promotions. It's all about creating brand awareness, sparking interest, and driving sales. Let's consider Oreo, the world's favorite cookie. Oreo doesn't just sell cookies, it sells moments of joy. How? Through clever and engaging promotion strategies. Remember their dunk-in-the-dark tweet during the Super Bowl blackout, instant success, or their fun, interactive social media campaigns that invite consumers to share their unique Oreo moments. These are examples of promotion at its best. Oreo's advertising goes beyond showcasing the product. It tells a story, evokes emotions, and creates a connection with the consumer. Their public relations work reinforces this connection, ensuring that Oreo stays in the public eye and continues to be a topic of positive conversation. And their sales promotions? They keep the excitement alive, offering consumers a little extra nudge to reach for that packet of Oreos. In essence, effective promotion is about more than making noise. It's about making the right noise, in the right places, at the right times. It's about understanding your audience, speaking their language, and offering them something that resonates. Effective promotion brings your product to the attention of consumers and encourages them to buy. To wrap up, the 4 Ps of marketing are crucial for the success of any business. In our journey today, we've seen how product, price, place, and promotion play integral roles in shaping a business's strategy and carving out its unique space in the market. The product is not just what you sell, but the value, quality, and experience it brings to your customers, as seen in the case of Halal Guys. Price is a balancing act between profitability and customer satisfaction, demonstrated by Modanisa. Place is all about accessibility, ensuring your product reaches the customer when and where they need it, much like Zara's strategy. And finally, promotion is your megaphone, your means of communicating with the world, as Oreo has shown us. By mastering the 4 Ps, businesses can deliver value to customers, build strong brands, and achieve their goals. Remember, the 4 Ps are your compass in the world of marketing, guiding you towards success.